My name is Nora. I work nights as a call operator in Los Angeles. I answer phones, calm angry people, and fix small problems. I live with two roommates in a small apartment. My life is usually quiet and careful. That night was different. It was my birthday. I came home late from work. I was tired. I opened my email and read a message from my fiancé, Evan. He was a soldier. He was overseas for work. I missed him every day. The message was short. He said he met someone else. He said he was sorry. He said he was moving on. I sat on my bed and stared at the screen. I felt empty. I felt foolish. I felt alone in a big city. I did not want to be alone that night. At work earlier, a man had called the office. His name was Henry Hill. He was friendly and confident. He worked as an illustrator. He asked if I wanted to go out sometime. I usually said no to things like that. But that night, after the message from Evan, I said yes. I told myself it was just dinner. I told myself I needed a distraction. We met at a trendy restaurant with blue lights and loud music. It was modern and crowded. Henry looked surprised to see me. He thought he was meeting someone else. I felt embarrassed, but he laughed it off. He ordered drinks, sweet drinks, colorful drinks. I do not drink much, but I drank that night. I wanted to forget. The room felt warm. My head felt heavy. After a while, Henry suggested we go to his apartment nearby. He said he wanted to show me his art. I followed him. I was not thinking clearly. At his place, the lights were low. He talked a lot. I sat on the couch. The room spun. I remember feeling uncomfortable. I remember wanting to leave. I remember standing up and then falling back down. After that, my memory breaks. I remember panic, then nothing. I woke up the next morning in my own bed. My head hurt. My body felt stiff. I did not remember how I got home. My roommate, Clara, was in the kitchen. She said I came home late and went straight to bed. She said I looked pale. I checked my phone. I had missed calls, news alerts, messages. A man was dead. His name was Henry Hill. I felt sick. At work, police officers came to ask questions. They asked about Henry. They asked about women he dated. They asked about me. I tried to remember the night. My mind gave me only flashes. A mirror breaking, my hand holding something heavy. I could not be sure. News stories started calling the woman from that night a monster, a mystery woman, a killer. I stopped sleeping. Every sound scared me. Every knock made my heart race. I started to believe it was me. One evening, a journalist named Caleb Reed contacted me. He wrote crime stories online. He said he wanted to help. He said the truth mattered. I met him at a small cafe. I told him everything I could remember. He listened quietly. He believed me. Days passed. The police watched me closely. They took my passport. They told me not to leave the city. I felt trapped inside my own life. Then something changed. A neighbor from Henry's building contacted the police. She said she heard shouting late at night after I had already left. Security cameras showed someone else entering the building after me, a woman. The police questioned her. Her name was Rosa Miller. She had dated Henry before. She had been angry, hurt, desperate. She said she went to Mark's apartment to confront him. She said they argued. She said she lost control. She did not mean to kill him. When I heard the truth, I cried for hours, not from relief alone, from everything I had held inside. The police cleared my name. The headlines changed. People moved on, but I did not feel the same. One choice, one night, one moment of weakness can change everything.